What is up, guys? We are back with another video of the 2022 Honda Grom. Today we're going to be installing a Dark Knight Streak subcage. Let's open the box up and see what we got. Looks like we got the subcage itself. Looks pretty beefy. We got some foot pegs. They obviously go on the sides right here. We got some hardware for these bolts. We also got a titanium plate. It'll be going right on the back of this. So when you scrape, get some sparks. And one last thing, they gave us a sticker. Dark Knight Streak. Get yours. Alright, let's see. Let's unwrap this whole thing. Pretty it is. I actually wrapped this up pretty good. A lot of bubble wrap so it didn't get scratched. Powder coat is actually really nice. Alrighty. Check out that titanium. Looks like it's a couple Allen heads, bolts for it. Titanium. Can't see in the video, but it's all anodized from like heat. Slap these puppies in here and get them on the cage. That's what we're gonna do. Let's grab your cage. Put the titanium block right here. Screw it on down. Both sides. Start evenly. Contact stops. For some reason it's still pretty loose. There we go. Got the titanium all up on this. Sorry guys, the lighting kind of sucks, but gotta deal with it, I guess. Next up is the foot pegs. Little foot pegs. Feel a little sturdy. Alrighty guys, I already got one foot peg on, as you can see. Let's go on, put the next one on. First, they come like this. This top cap unscrews off, just like this. Set that aside. And it comes with one long 17mm bolt with the nut. The way I'm doing it, I'm running the nut or the bolt this way, sliding the peg on right here just like that. And we'll get dandy nut. Slide that in there first. Try and guide it in there. Easier, tighten this up. Try to get these lined up nicely. Where I want them. Yeah. Oh, because this cap actually comes off as well. I just learned something new. So this one comes off and you can screw it straight on like that. Well, I might do it a little harder way. Just make sure this one's tightened up. Actually, I'm gonna reface these now. So both facing that way. So I'm going to loosen it up a little. Turn this to the back. Like this. Down. Put this last cap on. This side. Loosen this cap. Slide up a little bit. Tighten it down. Put one last cap on. If you don't drop it. There. So the reason I did this was so I could get the sticker facing the back on each side. As you can see, boom and boom. Nice. I think it's almost ready to go on the bike. Let's take a walk over there and see that. Okay, first off, what we're gonna do is pop these caps off. They come off pretty easy. You just use your nail, pop them right out. One goes here, one goes here, and same on the other side. One there, and one on that side. All right. Then we're going to grab our cage with these little spacers right here. And what these things do is they space out. So you have a smaller one, and then you have a little bit wider one. If you notice, the gap between the fairing and the subframe here is a little deeper than this back one. As you can see, the bolt spacing right there. So what these do is space it out so you don't mess anything up. They would go here, and one would go right here. All right, let's try and get it on. Try and get this one not to fall out. Put that on there. Let's go come up from underneath. That's fine. Ooh, I'm seeing a little bit of difference here, man. Alright, so there is a problem with this. As I seen on Goonies Doug, these are a little bit too wide. So what we're gonna have to do is shave them both down a little bit on each side to make it even. Now let's try and install it. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. So, as you see, the cage looks like it is on. It is not on all the way. So what I did, I bolted these two back ones in. Not all the way tight, but a little bit, just so I can maneuver it a little bit. What I have in my hand is this back piece that covers the top of the tail light. The reason why I took it off is when I was trying to move it up a little, it squeezes the top of the frame right here. So what you're gonna wanna do is take off the two Phillips heads. There's one here and one here. Then there's two pop clips. There's one here, one here. They clip right here. So what you wanna do, you take out the two Phillips, pull up on this side, that one pops out, and you pop this side out. Take that out of the way. All right. So, as you see, this one's shaved. This one is not shaved. The non-shaved one, or shall I say the shorter one, as you can see now, they're both about the same exact diameter. So the one that's taller, I actually shaved down. This one I ended up putting in on the left side, trying it out, and it fit nice. So I shaved this one down about the same size, put it on this side with this other one in, and it actually went on nice. But we're gonna do this on video. So what you're gonna wanna do after you have it like mine, pull up on the subcage a little bit, pop that spacer in, pull up on the cage again, and you're gonna pop this little spacer right in here. Just like that. And then you're just gonna push down on the subcage right here just a little bit, just line it. Right, then we're gonna get our Phillips in and the bolt. Slide it right into place. I'm gonna have to push it down on the subcage a little bit more. Try to get it started by hand so you don't mess up those threads. There we go. Do the same on the other side. A little bit, get it screwed in. Once they are hand threaded in, you can go ahead and grab your wrench and snug them up a little bit. Snug. We'll get this one. Snug. Same on the other side. Snug. Snug. Then we're gonna go like a quarter of the turn. and then being snug. Quarter of a turn. Maybe a little bit more on this one. And there she is. Now, we're going to take our top fairing piece right here. Just pop it in place. So it's a little easier. Pop, pop. And those two Phillips heads, as I showed you. Right in here. Alrighty. What I like to do is wipe it down all under here where your seat is, because you really don't clean this when you wipe your bike, unless you like taking it off and cleaning it, you know. Clean it, wipe down this cage a little bit. See how she looks. Last but not least, get our seat. Put it in place. And there's